Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a specific word bold on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word and then open any document. Now from here, if you want to make the teacher word bold, just click on Home tab and at the corner you can see Find option. Then just click here and then type the word that you want to bold. If I type teacher, then you can find all the teacher word on the document. Then click on Replace option, then put the cursor on the Replace with option and then type teacher. Then click on More, then click on Format, then click on Font option, and here you can see Font Style option. Then put the cursor here and then type bold. Then select it, then click on OK, then click on Replace All, then click on OK again to confirm it, and it's done. You can see all the teacher words has been bold successfully, and that is how you can make a specific word bold on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.